Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we have this function in here. Now we have f of x that is about 4x. We put this one cone here. 3x that is about this one. H of x that is about this one. Now we multiply, and this one we have 4x squared minus 24x. Now if we want to find first the derivative of k of x, we can apply the quotient rule. That should be like this. For example, we have f of x equals to 8 over b. So if we do first the derivative, we need to do first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now we can apply this formula cone here. And now we have like this. So we need to do first the derivative of 4x squared minus 24x multiplied by this one minus we need to do first the derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b. So we have b squared, we put this one cone here. Now we simplify the answer. First the derivative of x where we have 2x, number 2 with number 4 we have number 8. The next one we have negative number 24. For this one, so s where we have 2s, number 2 with negative number 8, we have negative 16s. The next one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0, and here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.